Here's a thought that might surprise you. Money shouldn't be your ultimate goal. It's not an endpoint, but a means, a tool to secure three essentials in life: security, freedom, and time. And guess what? You don't need a mountain of cash to attain these. You just need a clearer understanding of what matters most to you. Think about it. We don't crave money for the sake of holding it in our hands or watching numbers grow in a bank account. What we truly seek is what money can bring: comfort, experiences, and a sense of control. If those things came to us without the need for money, we'd be just as content. When happiness is seen as the result of acquiring things, it's easy to equate money with happiness, imagining that buying more will inevitably bring more joy. But reality proves otherwise. The excitement of a new purchase fades, and the novelty wears off. That's why you shouldn't treat money as the goal itself, but rather as the means to reach what really matters. If money is your primary aim, you'll find that once you get close, the target shifts again and again. The endless chase creates stress and anxiety, as you'll never truly feel satisfied with what you have. Instead, start seeing money as a tool that enables you to build the life you want, a life that doesn't depend on how much cash is in your account, but on how you use it to shape your experience. Let's break down how this tool serves you in three key ways. First, money is a path to comfort. You don't need a mansion or designer labels to create a space that feels like your own. A cozy corner in a small room, decorated with things that bring you joy, artwork, souvenirs, or memories, can foster a sense of contentment. When comfort doesn't require extravagance, it becomes more attainable. This, in turn, leads to the second function of money: creating security. True security isn't about having the most expensive things. It's about knowing you can weather unexpected storms. When you're not overextending yourself financially to maintain a lifestyle, you leave room to save and build a safety net, reducing the fear that comes with financial uncertainty. Next, let's talk about freedom. Money buys the ability to choose, whether that's taking a sick day without worrying about a paycheck, stepping away from a job to focus on a personal crisis, or simply taking time to regroup. Ask yourself, how much does your freedom really cost? Experts suggest having a rainy day fund equivalent to 3 months' expenses. It's a practical target, not an unreachable dream, and it makes the cost of freedom feel more manageable. Achieving this doesn't just free you financially. It liberates your mind from constant worry. Finally, money serves to buy time. While it's true that even the richest individuals can't literally purchase more hours in a day, they can spend money to make their time more meaningful. Whether it's investing in services that save you hours or setting up your life so you don't have to work around the clock, the value of time is in how you use it. The wealthiest people on Earth are pouring resources into longevity research, desperately seeking to extend their lives. But take a lesson from their fears. Rather than trying to stretch time indefinitely, focus on using it wisely right now. You can't recapture the years spent on the grind or reclaim the relationships neglected along the way, but you can make the most of the time you have left. So, what's the takeaway? Use money strategically to secure what truly counts: comfort, freedom, and time. Accumulate enough to keep yourself steady, flexible, and in control of your days. Don't let the pursuit of wealth consume your life. Instead, let money work for you, helping you create a life that's rich in experiences, not just in numbers.